Welcome to Getting Started with Octopus Deploy. This video is designed to teach you the core concepts of deployment automation with Octopus. By the end of this video, you will have done your first deployment. We are focusing on a simple Hello World deployment. In doing so, you are going to learn how to add a project, create one or more environments, create a deployment process, and finally, create a release and deploy it. This video assumes you have an Octopus Deploy instance running. You can start a free trial at octopus.com. When you first land in Octopus, you'll be guided through the process of deploying your first application. Click on Get Started to begin your deployment journey. Projects let you manage software applications and services, each with their own deployment process. Give your project a descriptive name, and then save it. Next, you will need an environment to deploy to. Environments are how you organize your infrastructure, on-prem or cloud-based, into groups that represent the different stages of your deployment pipeline. For example, dev, test, and production. When I click Save, this will create all of my environments. Next, I have the option to fill out a short survey. This helps our team learn about the technologies our customers are using, which guides the future direction of Octopus. Click Submit and you'll be taken to your project. The next step in the journey is to create our deployment process. This is where we define the steps that Octopus uses to deploy your software. Click on Create Process, which allows us to choose your first deployment step. For our simple Hello World deployment, we will only have one step. You can see that I add a single script step and configure it to print out Hello World. Next, we will create a release that we can deploy to our environments. A release is a snapshot of a project's deployment process and the associated assets, like packages, scripts, and variables, as they exist when the release is created. Give the release a version number, such as 2022.1.1. To deploy this release, click Deploy to Development. Finally, click the Deploy button to start your deployment. Once the deployment is started, you are shown a task summary screen. Clicking on the task log will provide further details for individual steps. Any error messages will appear here as well. That's it. Congratulations! You have successfully executed your first deployment. From here, you can extend your project to suit one of your own applications and explore the additional features Octopus offers. Happy deployments!